Hi everybody, Asong Filipino, welcome back. So today, unbox with me. So this is all from Shein. I'm gonna show you my outfit today. Wearing my flip-flops. Okay, so for today's video, let's start with the unboxing. So after this one, next video, we're going to try on this sandal. So unbox with me. I'm gonna start now. I'm gonna show you first what I have here, and we have more things to do. We're going to unbox, try on video here, walking, and also in the car. So, okay, look at this smash by the travel. It's fast anyway, the delivery. Shein, I ordered last week, so it delivered within like 5 days. 5 days. I'm gonna show you. Oh, I need to order also a shoe rack this time. My God, this is beautiful. I love to wear it, but then we're going to do that next video. Super cute. Ooh, I love it. I have pink, red, and black. No, I only have. No, I don't have red. But now I have white. But next time I'm going to order red. So this one we can throw the box. So I still have my red toner polish. Next is, oh, so cute. I know you want to see me wearing this one, but we can wear one of this pair before we end the video. Oh my gosh, I love it. I'm gonna show you later. So okay, this is the second pair of sandal. So it's mules. It's cute. So money siya. So una puti, then yellow. Sunod, next, smell. Oh, this is so cute. Blue, shiny blue. I'm gonna put it here. I'm gonna show you later. Super cute. I need one extra sandal. And the smell of this is quite smelly. Well, this is also a mules. I'll search of this one. What's the name of this? I'm just gonna show you what I have here today, because next video we're going to try on, and also I'm going to unbox flip-flops. Maybe you can just try on after this. It's a quick try on, or like a dangling video. So we have yellow here. I like to purchase red. So Super cute. Okay, yellow. Next is this one. I missed one pair, so I have to order that one. Super cute. Oh, I love it. So I'm gonna stand here in the table, and then oh, still have one more. It's the dress. Okay, this dress I can try on for you guys. Okay, I'm gonna try on the dress. Nah, I will do later. First is we're going to try this. Ooh, this is quite high. Okay, let's put it here. This is white. That's all for now, everyone, and I see you next time, because next time I'm going to unbox more flip-flops.